Hello, this is my ecology report video on narwhals by me. What is a narwhal? Narwhals are often dubbed as unicorns of the sea because they are creatures that look like seals but belong to the whale family, with long tusks protruding from their heads. What is a narwhal tusk? Well, from Unicorn of the Sea Narwhal Facts, a narwhal tusk is actually an enlarged tooth with sensory capability and up to 10 million nerve endings inside. The spiral tusk juts from the head and can grow as long as 10 feet. How do narwhals get food? Narwhals dive deep underwater to find fish for food and is one of the deepest diving whales. These expeditions have been recorded up to a dive depth of approximately 1,800 meters, or near 6,000 feet, and over 1 mile. The deepest dives occur in winter when narwhals are offshore in deep water wintering grounds. Narwhal diving lasts around 25 minutes. Some narwhal fun facts: narwhals are able to dive so deep that they have a narwhals are able to dive so deep because they have a compressible rib cage which is flexible. Along with this, narwhals are able to bring 70 liters of oxygen into its lungs, blood, and muscles to a dive because they have a lot of myoglobin in their muscles, 2 times some species of seals and 8 times terrestrial mammals like the cheetah. The narwhal's closest relative is the beluga whale, and a narwhal's tusk is soft on the outside and gets harder along its way to the inside. A narwhal's tusk is also flexible and can bend near a foot in any direction, and only 15% of narwhal females have tusks. Narwhal's diet. Because of the narwhal's ability to dive so deep, offshore in areas covered by sea ice, in order to find its food, it became very difficult to exactly map out what they eat because they also eat it while they're diving. But people have found a way around that by examining inside their stomach. The locals of the narwhal cut out their stomachs, froze it, and then sent it to laboratories where they found the narwhal's diet, which ranged from prey species like the Greenland halibut primarily, but they also fed on Arctic cod, shrimp, and gonatus squid, with exceptions like the wolffish, capelin, skate eggs, and rocks. Narwhals are found in cold Arctic waters, which is impressive because they don't migrate, so they stay there all their life. And that ranges from Alaska to Canada to Greenland to Norway and finally near Russia. The solid portion of this map shows where they're found frequently, while the striped portion is rarely. Narwhals are going extinct for 3 main reasons. One is ocean noise. Industrial activities, shipping, and other forms of noise pollution in the sea are affecting narwhals significantly. Whales depend on sound underwater for almost all of their natural processes, and noise pollution is not helping with that. A second reason would be oil and gas. Vessels supporting oil and gas pass over areas with narwhals in it, and that pollutes the waters with noise, as well with potential oil or fuel spills and risks of collision with them. Number 3, climate change. Narwhals have lived and adapted to living in Arctic waters, and climate change is causing their habitats to change. Narwhals depend on sea ice to prosper, and now the ice is melting too fast for the whales to adapt. That is the end. That's my information. We're excited. That's me. Bye-bye.